welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make these super delicious summer drinks using lemon balm. If you guys haven't already seen my gardening videos where I show you my herb and flower garden, I will leave a link to those in the cards and you can check those out to see everything that I've been growing this year. But one of the main reasons I decided to grow like an herb flower garden of beneficial herbs and flowers is because I really wanted to use them. I wanted to use them for all of their benefits, either culinary or medicinal. And lemon balm is one of those that is super easy to grow. It's like mint. It will really grow anywhere and it will really take over and it becomes invasive. So I grew it in a large pot this year and it has been doing super well. Now, if you've never had lemon balm before, it is a minty lemon flavor. It is part of the mint family, so it looks very similar. And if you kind of rub your fingers on the leaves and then smell them, you get this very nice like lemony scent. Lemon balm is known for its calming effects. When taken in a tea, it is very calming and soothing. It's also beneficial to your digestive tract. It helps with digestion. So it's nice to drink after a meal and especially after dinner because it is like nice and soothing and calming. Also great for anxiety and stress relief. So all around a really good plant, and it tastes good and super easy to grow. So it's one of my favorites. I'm gonna go out with you guys. I'm gonna harvest some and I'm gonna show you how to turn it into two delicious summer drinks. We're gonna be making a lemon balm lemonade and a lemon balm iced green tea. For the lemon balm lemonade, you're going to need 1/4 to 1/2 cup of fresh lemon balm, 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw organic honey, 1 lemon juiced, 2 to 3 cups of water plus 1 cup of water to boil. You're going to want to bring your water to a boil, and as soon as it's boiling, turn it off the heat. Let your lemon balm leaves steep for about 10 minutes. After all the ingredients are combined, store it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours until it's completely cooled. For the lemon balm green tea, you're going to need 1/4 to a half a cup fresh lemon balm, 3 tablespoons of organic honey, 2 green tea bags, or the equivalent of 2 green tea bags in loose leaf green tea, 4 cups of water, plus 2 cups of water to boil. Let your lemon balm leaves steep for about 10 minutes. Add your green tea bags and steep for a further 10 minutes. Once all the ingredients have been combined, refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours until it's fully cooled.